What's up, guys? I believe I have found the most bargain earbuds in 2025. This is a new SoundPEATS Air5 Pro. For just a little over $50, you will get wireless earbuds with high-res audio and Snapdragon Sound, audio, LDAC, and aptX lossless support. AI Adaptive Noise Cancellation up to 55 dB, 6 microphones with Qualcomm QCC3091 technology, mobile app support with equalizer settings, game mode, and many other functions, as well as battery life of up to 7.5 hours on a single charge and 37 hours with a charging case. Would you agree that this is a terrific set of features for earbuds for this price? But do not rush to buy them right away. First, let's test the earbuds in detail. Let's start our review of the SoundPEATS Air5 Pro by unboxing them. So there's a big picture of one earbud on the front of the box. We can also see the logos of the Qualcomm Sound, high-res audio, and LDAC. The back of the box has a very small list of specs, such as Bluetooth version, frequency response range, maximum working distance, playtime, and battery capacity. But I will tell you the rest of the features later in this video. Opening the box, first we see the charging case. We will come back to it a little later. If you turn over the lid of the box, you will find an envelope with user guide and stickers. The kit also includes a USB Type-C charging cable and silicone ear tips of different sizes. As you can see, the SoundPEATS Air5 Pro are in-ear earbuds because they have with silicone ear tips. You know, I'm focusing on this because the previous SoundPEATS Air5 were semi-in-ear. It is good that now you can choose between these two options. They also have a few other differences. The Pro model of the earbuds has an updated design of the control panel. Now it has a kind of grill, which is also textured. By the way, the control panel here is touch sensitive, and we will talk about the control functions a little later. We have the SoundPEATS Air5 Pro in black, but there is a picture on the official website where the earbuds are white. I couldn't find them in white on Amazon, but they might be coming soon. You know, I am not sure if these earbuds are meant for active sports, but they have IPX5 waterproof rating, so they do not afraid of rain or sweat. In fact, the earbuds are very comfortable in the ears. I think I could listen to music for hours without feeling any discomfort. Do not forget that they come with silicone ear tips of different sizes, so choose the right size for you. Talking about the charging case, it has a rounded shape, making it very comfortable to hold in one hand. There is a USB Type-C charging port and button at the bottom. The case is opened like this. There is an LED indicator and a slogan. Here is the difference on the front. The inside of the charging case is gray and even feels like different plastic. The lid closes with a very satisfying click. Overall, the SoundPEATS Air5 Pro have a very good build quality, materials, and design in general. They feel like expensive earbuds, even though they actually cost around $50. Now let's install the mobile app and look at the functions there. The companion app for the SoundPEATS Air5 Pro is called PeatsAudio. You can download it on Android and iOS devices. So in the app, we can see the left and right earbuds, as well as their battery levels. The app suggests me to try the Find Earbuds feature, which uses the dual location assistance with map and ringtone. Then we can switch between ANC modes, such as noise reduction, normal, and transparency. There are even some noise reduction modes available, such as adaptive, indoor, outdoor, and traffic. The transparency mode also has voice enhancement and standard transparency. Other functions in the app include disable all touch controls, game mode, dual device connection, and customized touch controls. Let's see at the control buttons. The SoundPEATS Air5 Pro supports single, double, triple click, and a long press the left and right earbuds. The functions are the same for all these actions, such as volume up and down, previous or next track, play, pause, game mode, noise reduction, voice assistant, and none. There are also many presets available in the app, such as SoundPEATS Classic, Bass Boost, Bass Reduction, Treble Enhancement, and others, as well as custom equalizer. I will try some of these presets, but still, I will listen to most of my music in SoundPEATS Classic, that is default sound mode. You can also enter the earbuds settings menu, which includes device information, firmware update, reset headset, switch headphones prompt tone, prompt tone volume, find earbuds and fit test. That's all you have in the app on iPhone, but if you connect the earbuds to an Android device, you will see LE Audio, LC3 or LDAC codecs support. You can enable or disable them. Okay, since the SoundPEATS Air5 Pro has game mode, let's test the latency in games. First, let's play with game mode off and then turn it on. The latency with game mode off is just huge, but when you turn on the game mode in the app, the latency is much lower, but it is still there. Overall, it is comfortable to play games, but I cannot say these are gaming earbuds. I think the new SoundPEATS Air5 Pro earbuds should be good for phone calls because they have 6 microphones, advanced AI algorithm, and a Qualcomm QCC 8.0 technology for noise reduction. Let's check the microphone quality in practice.
What's up, guys? I'm sitting in my quiet studio now. There is only a little bit of noise from my computer here, but overall, it is a perfect condition for phone calls. How do you hear me? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I played the video with straight noise on my computer. Now it is really noisy that you cannot even hear the person talking next to you. How can you hear me through the earbuds? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
First, I want to mention that the noise reduction works very well. The microphone quality in a quiet room and in a noisy place is almost the same. However, the overall microphone quality leaves a lot to be desired. Talking about sound quality, you should know that I will listen to music on my iPhone, and I really like the sound of the SoundPEATS Air5 Pro. I have tried some presets in the app and they do change the sound, but I settled on default sound mode because I am a melomaniac and I listen to different types of music. The default sound mode has the best balance between bass, mid-range and treble. One of the main features of the new SoundPEATS earbuds is the aptX lossless audio technology and LDAC codec support. However, they are only available on Android devices, but not iPhones, so the sound quality on the Android phones should be even better. When it comes to active noise cancelling, the SoundPEATS Air5 Pro supports up to 55 dB noise cancellation. To be honest, I only listen to music indoors. I switched between adaptive, indoor, outdoor, and traffic modes and didn't notice any difference. I should probably try it in a crowded place. However, transparency mode works very well. Using it, I can even hear the noise around me better than without earbuds at all. Why is this important? First, it is safety. While doing sports, you can hear a car horn or people yelling at you. You can also talk to other people without removing the earbuds by using the transparency mode. Finally, a few words about the battery. Each earphone has a battery capacity of 35 mAh, while the battery of the charging case is 520 mAh. The company claims 7.5 hours of battery life on a single charge and 37 hours with a charging case, but that's probably with ANC off. With ANC enabled, the earbuds will last about 5 hours. But you should understand that the battery life depends on many factors like volume level, Bluetooth connection range, and more. So the new SoundPEATS Air5 Pro earbuds are the upgraded version of the previous SoundPEATS Air5, and now they have silicone eartips and 55 dB active noise cancelling support. In addition, the battery life of the new earbuds is improved. As for the sound quality, I cannot say if it has improved because I didn't have the previous earbuds. However, the new SoundPEATS Air5 Pro have the smaller driver than the Air5, 10mm and 13mm respectively. In any case, they both support high-res audio, LDAC and aptX lossless technologies, and I think they have great sound for $50 earbuds. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!